In this video, I am going to show you how to make your Duolingo account private. So as an example, once you open your Duolingo account, make sure that you're logged in, of course, into an account. If not, make sure to go and log in into it. So maybe later. As you can see, this is my account right here. So basically, you cannot do it in the application. Even if you go to settings, as an example, and try to do something here, you will not be able also to do it. So where can you basically make your like profile private? Of course, you'll have to do so, or you'll have to do it in the website or their website. I'm going to open a browser and type Duolingo as an example. Of course, I just had to add an O, but it's fine. And of course, you can go to duolingo.com right away. So duolingo.com, hit the enter button. And of course, you would like to be logged in into your account. Normally, of course, like this will take us to the app. I don't care. So yeah, all the stuff, I don't really care about this. So let me just go and quit. I need to enter through this. Yeah. So here we are. Now I can go here and click on I already have an account, log in using my Google account as an example. And basically I'll have to do or log in the browser. So just wait until it's finished. This example here, I can just go and log in into my account. For you, make sure to do the same, log in into an account, then come back. So once you're logged in, you should find yourself right here. So in here, as an example, what you'll need to do is simply go to your profile. So go and click on the person at the bottom left. And as you can see, this should take you here. So maybe later. At the top right corner, you can click on the settings icon. And as you can see here, you'll find a lot of options. So what I'll need to do is simply go to the privacy settings. Here we are. And as you can see here, you can find make my profile public. And if you want to have it public, if you don't want to have it public and want to have it private, just go in and check this option. And I even gonna check this and then simply click on save changes. So of course, if we go, let's just wait for this insult saved. Just see once it's finished. Basically, that's how you make it private if you just want to know how to make it private. So now it's private. Of course, if I go to the like application to show you, so here, whatever, I'm just going to click on other casual stuff. I'll just go through this review and come back again to show you that doesn't, it will not be here in the application. As you can see here, you can just go and click on the profile. As you can see, if you click on settings here, you will not find any like privacy settings and you will not be able to make it like private from here. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.